If your change oil soon light has not came off after doing the complete oil change, we're going to go ahead and show you how to do it here. Insert your key to the on position, engine off, or the third click. We're going to go ahead and come down to the bottom and go ahead and press the accelerator 4 times very slowly all the way down to the back. 3 and 4. After doing that, we're going to go ahead and shut the vehicle off, remove the key. We're going to be turning the engine on as well. That should clear our message and we are good to go.